Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction in its simplest form. And every time when we add fraction, we do need to make sure that the denominator is the same. And in this case, the lowest common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4, meaning I just need to times 2. So that I would have a common denominator, and the common denominator would be 4a. And I will have my 1 times 2 is 2. I still have my plus. I still have my 1 here. So that the final answer, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 will be equals to 3 over 4a. And we are done. Alright, so let's move on to the next example. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction in its simplest form. And every time we add fractions, we do need to make sure that the denominator is the same. So for the lowest common multiple, I see that there is a d power 2 here. So I will need to multiply by one more d to make it d power 2. I saw that there is a c power 3 here. So at this end, I will then need to multiply by c power 2 so that they will become c power 3. So I will need to therefore multiply by d for this fraction and multiply by c power 2 for this fraction, such that the common denominator will be c power 3, d power 2, and I would have 4d plus 9c squared. And since I cannot factorize the numerator further, this will be the final answer. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are required to express the following as a single fraction, and therefore I look at my denominator. When we add fractions, we must make sure the denominator is the same. And I saw that there's 3x and 7a. If I could multiply by 7a here and multiply by 3x here, I would then have a common denominator. 3 times 7 is 21. Not forgetting my a times x, ax, and the numerator. Let's continue, okay? 4 times 7 is 28. A times a is a power 2, a squared, plus 5 times 3 is 15. X times x is x squared. And since I cannot factorize the numerator further, this will be the final answer. Alright, thank you for watching this part of the video, and let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction. So I would then look at my denominator. Since every time we add fractions, we need to make sure the denominator is the same. You will see Mr. Tan multiplying by z here and multiplying by x here, so that they would then have a common denominator, x, y, and z. And the numerator, you will see 9z plus 2x. And since I cannot factorize the numerator further, this will be the final answer. Thank you for watching this part of the video. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction. And every time we minus a fraction, we must make sure the denominator is the same. But hey, 5 don't have a denominator. But I know 5 over can be written as 5 over 1. And so I just need to multiply by 7 PQ. So that now I would be able to get the common denominator, 7PQ. So this will be 7 times 5, 35 PQ minus 6. And since I cannot factorize the numerator further, there is no common factor, this will be the final answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction. And the very first thing I see is that, hey, the denominator looks the same but is slightly different. So how do I make them the same? Okay, so for n minus m, I'm going to start with this. Do take note that n minus m can be written as the following. I take out negative 1 as the common factor. I will have negative n, positive m, because if I expand them out, negative times negative will still give me back my positive n. Negative times positive will give me back my negative m. And now I would just need to rewrite the positive m in the bracket in front, the negative n inside the bracket behind, and I will be able to get a n minus m to be written as this form, and they are still equal to each other. Okay? So that you will see Mr. Tan here writing this down. I have my m minus n. And negative will become positive. There will be a m minus n. Okay? Because, as I repeat, the negative times negative will give me back my positive. And now they are the same denominator. I could then just combine them as m minus n. The numerator will be m plus n plus n. And final answer, two m plus n. And since I cannot factorize the numerator further, this will be the final answer. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching this part of the video. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction. And looking at the denominator, I know that then in order to make this common denominator, I would then have to multiply by x minus x for this fraction, x plus 7 for this fraction, such that it will be equals to, the common denominator is x plus 7, x minus 8. And I continue to rewrite the numerator out first. Minus 2x plus 7. And then the next step would then be for us to expand and simplify the numerator. Okay, so I will have 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 8 will be negative 24. This is negative 2, so negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times 7, positive 7, it will be negative 14. And finally, the final answer would then be equals to, let's see, 3x minus 2x, that will give me 1x, oops. And negative 24 minus 14, that will give me negative 38. And the whole thing will be still over x plus 7. X minus 8. And since I cannot factorize the numerator, this will be the final answer. Thank you for watching this part of the video, and stay tuned for the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express as a single fraction for this addition. And every time we plus a fraction, we do need to make sure the denominator is the same. And for this particular question, I realized that I can rewrite 7 minus 2y in a form that will help us greatly later. So 7 minus 2y can be rewritten as, I take out negative 1 as the common factor. I will have a negative 7, positive 2y inside, because negative times negative will give me back my positive 7. Negative times positive will give me back my negative. And this will give me, I just need to rewrite the expression in the bracket, positive 2y, negative 7. And so, we can then see that 7 minus 2y can be rewritten as negative 2y minus 7. And because there is a negative in front, it does affect the sign here. It will become a negative, and I will be able to rewrite it as negative 2y minus 7. And why does Mr. Tan do that? Because then I can see that the common denominator is 2y minus 7. And I will have 9 minus 5. So final answer would then be equals to 4 over 2y minus 7. And that will be the final answer for this question. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more questions. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction. The very first thing that comes to my mind is, can I factorize any of the numerator or denominator? And I realized I could factorize this. So how can I factorize this? So I go back to my special product. A squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Therefore, my x squared minus 4. I could rewrite it as x squared minus 2 squared. And when I apply the formula or the special product, I will get x plus 2, x minus 2. And therefore, you will see Mr. Tan writing this down. X plus 2, x minus 2. And once you do that, you realize that all I need to do is to multiply x plus 2 for this fraction, and we will get a common denominator, and I can combine them into a single fraction. I still have my 3 plus 2 times x plus 2. Next step is, of course, to expand and simplify the following. I have my 3, and this one will be positive 2 multiplied by x, positive 2x, positive 2 multiplied by 2, positive 4. And so the final answer would then be equals to, the whole thing is still x plus 2, x minus 2. I would have 3 plus 4, 7, and plus 2x. And we have come to the end of this video, or this part of the problem. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we shall move on to the next example. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction. So the very first thing that comes to Mr. Tan's mind is, can I factorize any of the numerator or denominator? And I realized I could. I could factorize x squared minus 49. Alright? By utilizing the a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So x squared minus 49 can be written as x squared minus, very good, 7 squared. So this will give me x plus 7, x minus 7. So you will see my next line, I will have my x plus 7, x minus 7 here. And next, 7 minus x, I could rewrite it as negative 7 and positive x, because negative times negative will give me back my positive 7. Negative times positive x will give me back my negative x. And if I rearrange them, positive x written in front, negative 7 written behind, yes, you can do that. Then my 7 minus x can be rewritten as negative of x minus 7. And because this is a positive in the first place, you can see me writing it as negative 6 over x minus 7. And this is important, because then I realize all I have to do is to multiply by x plus 7. I will get a common denominator. Yeah? X plus 7, x minus 7. So I have my 1 minus my 6 times x plus 7. And my next step would then be to expand and simplify the numerator. 1 minus negative 6 multiplied by x, negative 6x. Negative 6 multiplied by positive 7, negative 42. And finally, I will then get my final answer. Alright. Whole thing still over x plus 7, x minus 7. I will have negative 8 6x (1 minus 42) will give me negative 41. With that, we have come to the end of this part of the video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day as we move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction. Do take note, x plus 2 bracket square is x plus 2 times x plus 2. Okay? So this means something. Yeah? This means that all I have to do, I just need to multiply by x plus 2. One more time for the other fraction. I would be able to get my common denominator, x plus 2 bracket square. And I will have my 4 plus my 1 times x plus 2. Then of course is to expand and simplify the numerator. I still have my 4. This will be, let me use a green color, negative 1, positive 1, sorry, times x, positive x, 1x, positive 1 times positive 2, positive 2. And so final answer. I will have my x plus, yep, 6. And since I cannot factorize the numerator anymore, this will be the final answer. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction. And if I could factorize any of the numerator or denominator, I would do that. So you will see Mr. Tan factorizing the following. I would choose to use the cross chart for this. So W times W will give me W square. 1 times 1 will give me 1. But I do need a negative 2W. This means that both of these must be a negative, such that negative W plus negative W will give me negative 2W. And indeed, negative times negative give me my positive. So I have successfully gotten my factorized form, and therefore you will see Mr. Tan writing this down. This will be W minus 1 times W minus 1, and I realize, hey, they are the same. So I just need another W minus 1 here. So that we could then rewrite them as W minus 1 bracket square. I have my 5 minus 7 times W minus 1. And okay, let me just create some space here so that finally you will see Mr. Tan writing this down. Still over W minus 1 square. 5 minus, this will be negative 7 multiplied by W, negative 7W. Negative 7 multiplied by negative 1, positive 7. So final answer, negative 7W. From here, 5 plus 7 will be positive 12. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.